Hi, I'm Alexis with CHAKREDY, and today we are talking about positive and negative beliefs and how they relate to food. So, food beliefs are incredibly impactful on our energy, which ultimately impacts our physical body. A critical piece in healing your physical body and optimizing nourishment is to heal your wounds around food. While food and body wounds are vast, beginning to tap into the power of food beliefs is eye-opening to say the least. So let's dive into the energetics of belief. Go ahead and connect with two different food-based beliefs. Choose one that is positive and one that is negative. And this is easy to do with our internal dialogue around what we perceive as good or bad. So, a positive example would be vegetables are good for you. A negative example would be gluten is bad for you. And hold back from spiraling into what is fact, as it will accelerate you into your crown and most likely move your energy into ego dominance before you know it. We can all intellectually grasp what is fact, but what we're doing here is establishing a body-based understanding of what you are actually experiencing in your energy. So back to the energetics of belief. Positive belief energetics. So go ahead and connect with that positive belief. How do you experience that belief in your body? And I'll share with you how I perceive this. The way that I connect with the energy of belief is that I feel almost a container around my energy field, like a tube. It feels smooth and it feels neutral. So that's for that positive belief. Then, if we're exploring negative belief energetics, you want to take a moment to connect in with that negative belief, really feel it in your body, and how do you experience that? For me, I feel more of a sharp, rigid energy around my head in all directions and a narrowness and lack of energy from my heart down. So go ahead and repeat this positive belief in your head or out loud 10 times. Connect with any sensation in your body as you do this and write that down. So vegetables are good for you. Vegetables are good for you. Vegetables are good for you, and see what happens. And then try that with a negative belief. Go ahead, repeat that in your head or out loud 10 times and connect with any sensation that you experience in your body and write that down. Okay, I want to hear from you. What connections do you make with each of these, with the positive, with the negative? Can you see how much potential there is for your beliefs to impact your energy? Wow, right? Okay, we'll pause there for now and stay on the lookout for the next steps around the energetic difference between a belief and a judgment. And I will see you there. Be sure to check more videos out on my YouTube channel and visit chakredy.com for nutrition energetics. It's all happening now. Bye.